What's up traders, welcome to our channel. I'm Kevin.
I'm Aiden.
And this is actually our first video. So thank you for coming and checking this out. We have a couple stocks for you guys. We want to get it short and simple. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so first I have a stock called NIO. So it's basically a Chinese EV company and they're mainly funded by the Chinese government. China's government controls their population, so they actually drive these Chinese companies' stocks up. So I believe that it's a really good company. It fell $10 on November 13th from $53 to $43, and as of Monday, today, it rose up to $47 after market. So a lot of people are thinking that Trump meant that he was going to cut off a lot of these Chinese stocks from the American stock market, and what he meant was these military stocks. He doesn't mean the electrical vehicle company stocks, so we're all good. And tomorrow actually NIO is releasing their earnings, so keep an eye on that on the 17th.
Alrighty, another stock we have for you guys is Tesla. Now as of today, the 16th of November, Tesla this morning opened at like $408. And then after market, it just shot up to like $460 something, and that is because Wall Street has actually announced that Tesla will be included in the S&P 500. That doesn't actually start until December 21st. That's the first day that they'll be in the S&P trading, but that's good news for Tesla, so that is something to look out for this week for Tesla. Next up is PTON. So PTON's that stationary bicycle that you ride at home for coronavirus. It's a good way of keeping exercise, keeping your body maintained. And they're actually introducing new celebrity training courses in that little screen you get there. So the celebrity will be like riding their bike, and you guys can go on the same bike paths and stuff like that, and you'll be able to ride and listen to what they're saying and like pretty much do the same thing the celebrity does, which is what everybody wants to do, right? And they're also introducing a streaming service, so you can now stream Spotify through it and you can listen to music as you're riding your bicycle. So they're pretty much just wrapping everything all up into one and giving it to you the best they can. So that is good for them. They dipped from their all-time highs at like $130 something, and they've dipped from there down to their solid support of $100. So right now they're establishing support. If it starts to go back up though, that's something to keep an eye on, because they will probably go back to those all-time highs. Once they introduce all these services to their bicycles, that's just going to promise a good future for the company, and they'll probably continue to make new highs.
Next we have Pinterest. So Pinterest, if you don't know, is a huge social media for girls to find like aesthetic things for decor and fashion. So it's huge for girls. And the big thing is Amazon actually plans on buying it, and what they're planning on doing is making it so you can seamlessly buy recipes or products that you find on the social media. So that will definitely create revenue for the company, and I think that will drive up the stock to go very, very high. Last but not least is Square. So basically Square is a good long-term buy. In the past 6 months it's gone up over 213%, and I still don't believe that's overvalued. So they're building an ecosystem of products such as an easy website creator, digital cash registers, and they bought Cash App, so you can actually buy crypto on that. I believe that Square is gonna just take off from here. It's actually been down a little bit, but I think this is just a great time to buy it since it's on the dip.
So next up is Bitcoin. Bitcoin recently broke above 16,000, and they had previous resistances at 17,000 and at 20,000. So if it breaks that 17,000 resistance, probably going to go up to the 20,000, and you can just ride that wave all the way from 17,000 to 20,000. Also with Bitcoin, Citibank's yearly analysis says that they will have an estimated value of $318,000 by next year of December. So December 2021, Bitcoin will be at $318,000.
That is crazy. Alright guys, so last is ETFs. So I have one called ARK. So if you don't know what ARK is, it's by Cathie Wood. She is a futurist in the stock market. She actually predicted that Tesla was going to be worth 15,000 and she bought at 400, and that was pre-split. Now it's just taken off from there. In their fund, they have a lot of disruptive technologies such as Square, Tesla, Zillow, Roku. She has a great objective view of the market, so I believe that her ETFs such as ARK will definitely go up. And the last ETF is the SPY. So basically that is an ETF of the S&P, and I love to buy that one on the dips. So if you don't know what the S&P is, it's basically the top 500 stocks in the stock market, and those always outperform, and there's always breaking new highs. So I like to buy the ETF because it's a cheaper version of the S&P. Definitely would recommend that one. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Just so you know, we have a Discord below, so we always put our entries and our exits in there.
Yeah, long-term swing trades, day trades, all the trades, they all go in the Discord.
Yeah, so if you guys want to know all of that before we make YouTube videos, make sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, and we'll see you guys on Thursday. Peace.